Today we learn something about posture during car driving. Channel's name is Heartbeat. My name is Dr. Amrit Kejriwal. Posture. Posture we have to there when we drive a car, watching television, sitting at posture computer, talking on mobile, and sitting otherwise. So if you have a faulty posture, it can lead to various kind of body problems. And I've had many patients who have come to me with whose drive or watch television or sit at a computer with a faulty posture, and it causes an unnecessary visit to a doctor. So just to prevent that, in this particular video I'm just talking about driving. So what kind of faulty posture lead to? A faulty posture can lead to backache, it can lead to giddiness, and it can lead to easy fatigability. All these may lead to stress, and all these are due to faulty posture. And if our history is not taken properly from the patient, he may be subjected to unnecessary tests and medicines. Basically, correction of the posture may lead to a lot of solving of the problems. So, back support. Keep your backside close to the back support of the seat. So, this part you can see close to the back of the seat. Back support should be a bit tilted backwards. So you can see this is not exactly vertical but tilted backwards. And keep a gap of 3 to 5 centimeters between the front of the seat and behind the knees. So over here you can see. Adjust the seat of posture. Make sure that you don't have to lean forwards. Okay. Here you can see the back is separated and the person is leaning forwards. And make sure that you don't have to lean backwards too much and outstretch your hands, arms. Seat. Hip should be in contact for the entire length. You can see over here. Knee should be below the knees, below the hip, sorry. Maintain adequate space. So don't sit too near to the steering wheel, and foot pedal should be comfortable to reach. Appropriate height. So line of vision should be about 7 to 10 centimeters above the steering wheel. So let us assume that this is around 7 to 10 centimeters, and this is the line of vision. Adjust height of seat accordingly. So this is the height of the seat which can be adjusted. So adjust the seat height of the seat accordingly. Headrest. Top of the headrest should be between the top of the ears and the head. So here's the top of the ears and this is the top of the head. Top of the headrest should lie between these two. So this is the ear head top and head top. And headrest should just touch the head. Mirrors. So you adjust the rear view mirrors and side view mirrors once you sit in the car, and it should not cause unnecessary stress to the person. Now if you're going for prolonged driving, take rest, and sometimes a lumbar support prevents a backache. Use a lumbar support, you can see over here. A lumbar pillow or a rolled up towel may be also helpful if a lumbar support is not available in the car.